My name is Gordon Wallace, and I'm working in the BU Robotics Lab this summer with Professor Roberto Tron. My research this summer involves using computer vision to determine the location of a quad based on saved map images. So the quad has saved reference images and a live camera feed. And based on how its live camera feed compares to its saved map images, it can determine its location. So this research has a range of applications, most of them to do with scenarios when traditional ways of placing a quad location aren't available, like GPS. So examples of that could be somewhere where GPS is being deliberately blocked, or indoor scenarios like in warehouses where it may be important to move around goods or anything within the warehouse. So what I've been working on is coming up with a system where this saved reference image can be compared to a live camera feed. So this is a webcam looking at this box, and you can see the lines in this image are drawn between the points that the program has determined are the same in each image. So you can see as I move the camera around, the lines move as well to continue to correspond to the same points. And this works regardless of scale and regardless of orientation. And then the other aspect of this is determining the location of the camera. So if I run this plot, you can see that as I move the camera closer to the reference, the line goes up, indicating that it's getting closer. And as I move it away, the line falls back down. So it's using the translation between the points shown in this stream to determine its location and plot it here. Things like this are never as easy as they may initially seem. So there's always little hang-ups and things you don't expect, like noise in the data you have to deal with, and just sort of the challenge is implementing what is sort of a theory into something that can work in the real world. Now, I've really enjoyed getting to do research for the first time this summer, and I think one of the major impacts it's had on me is just the realization that even only partway through my undergrad degree, there's actually quite a lot I can do in terms of fascinating and even groundbreaking work. There's sort of a lot of stones that are still unturned with all kinds of different things to do with computer vision, which I'm working on, and just different robotics challenges in general. There's a lot that is accessible to people but is still undiscovered. I would say it's just the experience has made me more enthusiastic about research in general. Just being in this environment where people innovate all day and there's always something new. It's an environment of discovery, I guess, and I've really enjoyed it.